Hi guys, this is Raw, and a lot of my subscribers might be wondering why am I speaking in English for the very first time after hundreds of videos. So this video is my attempt to connect to other wonderful trans people out there. I just want to connect to as many people as much. Ano? What? English is hard, yo. So what I mean to say is I want to connect to more people. Oh my god, the videoke is starting again. So every night there's people singing. Okay, let me show you. That green light is a videoke or karaoke where you know for what it is, it's basically it's where people sing with the lyrics on the screen. So yeah, I'm just having a normal afternoon. Um, I'm drinking my Energen, which is basically milk with oatmeal with a little bit of creaminess or milk or something. And I'm gonna die, you know? It's so hard for me to speak in English. Although it can be pretty easy for me to write in English. So this is my, I guess, my practice. I'm not saying I'm good in writing English. I'm just, uh, okay na. Good enough for you to understand. So I'm so sorry if this vlog is going nowhere. I'm just, yeah, if you're watching this and you are English speaking, please comment below if you can understand me. So I'm cooking a rice for dinner. It's the last. Oh my goodness, it's hot. So yeah, for my Filipino so for my Filipino brothers out there, you already know why I'm doing this, so please bear with me. Right now, I am away from home. I am renting with another roommate, and tomorrow I'm planning to sell breakfast on the streets. I'm gonna sell a few for now, and if it goes well, gonna add some. I'm doing something that will that is profitable that I can get something out of. So English is hard. So wish me luck. So yeah, I like vlogging. I like connecting with the fellow trans men who transitions or wanting to transition. So basically, I teach them what I know uh, because it can be pretty hard even if you have the money to transition here in the Philippines. And I'm happy to share what I know. I think the rice is good. So yeah, I hope in this video I get to meet other fellow. In this video I can meet other people. I'm sweating hard, if that makes sense. I'm sweating a lot. Yeah, I think it's last year I promised that I'm gonna make English content, but it didn't happen because life happened. Hopefully, I get to meet new friends. So I think that's it for this video. So let me know what you think. Do you have any questions? Violent reactions? Just want to say thanks for watching this video. And yeah, this is Raw. I wish you guys have a wonderful day or night or afternoon. Yeah. Bye bye. Thank you.